In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention a Jira issue in the description or comment field. Whether you're collaborating with your team or simply trying to organize your tasks better, knowing how to directly link Jira issues is incredibly useful. Let's make sure you're doing this with ease and confidence. First things first, you'll want to start by going to the project that you're currently working on. This is important because Jira organizes issues within specific projects, so ensure you're in the correct workspace before proceeding. You can usually access your project by selecting it from your Jira dashboard or menu. Once you're in the right project, your next move is to click on the Issues option at the top of your screen. This will guide you to a list of all issues and tickets associated with your selected project. After navigating to Issues, choose the specific Jira issue where you want to mention another issue. The interface will display details of the selected issue, and here you can add your references. Now click on the description field. This step is vital as this is where the magic happens. When you click on the description field, it becomes ready for editing, allowing you to add more information such as a reference to another Jira issue. Now it's time to add the issue key. The issue key, which looks something like Pro J123, is a unique identifier for the Jira issue you wish to mention. Simply type this issue key into the description field. As you type, Jira might even suggest issue keys for you based on your entry, which can save time and ensure accuracy. Once you've typed in the correct issue key, Jira does something quite helpful. When you save the description, Jira automatically converts this text into a clickable link. This means that anyone viewing this description can click on the issue key to navigate directly to the mentioned issue. To ensure these changes are saved properly, don't forget to click the Save button. This action finalizes the link within your description. Next, let's try mentioning Jira issues in the comments section. In the comments, the process is quite similar. Start by typing the issue key just like you did in the description field. Again, Jira will automatically recognize and convert this text input into a clickable link once saved. By doing so, it gives quick access to related issues, enhancing collaborative efficiency. Finally, make sure to click Save for the comment as well. This solidifies the mention and ensures it's visible to everyone involved with the project. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily mention other Jira issues in both descriptions and comments, ensuring seamless navigation and collaboration. This feature not only keeps your team informed, but also helps streamline your workflow. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.